I should say a few words first. Okay. Sorry, I didn't get the memo. Blessings. I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that's standing in this room and for everyone that will be watching this video. I'm elated to especially be supported, so strongly supported by my country. I just came back and I've been warmly welcomed, and I thank you for the continuous push and what I would say motivation from my fellow people, my fellow Jamaican people. This has been an honor, and this accomplishment for me now, it allows me to look forward mostly to, sorry about that, but I hope you can hear me over it, but it motivates me now to continue to inspire other youth and to highlight us as a country and to try to put us on even greater platforms as I go along my career. So I just want to thank everybody for being a part of my journey, and this is only the beginning, so we look forward to much more greatness. Thank you.